Hey guys, what's going on? TurtlePlay is here back again. It's been a little over 3 months since I last posted. I've been a little busy and I made a short voice today. It will be the SCP Containment Breach Mobile Task Force, or the SCP CBMTF. It's only gonna need 4 things. So it's a nice simple quick one today. Hope you enjoy. And let's get right into it. Alright, what you're gonna need for this voice. You're going to need resonator, distortion, reverb, and pitch. 4 things. Nice and simple. For resonator, you're going to want your mix of 51, your time 30, your feedback of 19, and your volume of 52. And moving on, for distortion, you're going to want a mix of 75, a drive 28, and a volume of 36. And we're going to go on to reverb now. Reverb mix of 9, room size of 4. Now down to pitch. Mix of 75 and pitch of 41. Humanizer off. That's all you're going to need for this. 4 simple things. It just kind of gives you more of a radio voice like them, but you will have to do a bit of acting, because I still want you to be able to hear what you're saying, because some of the MTFs you cannot understand what they're saying, so you can still understand what you're saying with this. So if you want to change it, go ahead, by all means. If you want to go back because I was going too fast, go for it. I'll also probably put numbers at the bottom just so it's a little easier. But yeah. Let's go on to the voice demonstration.
Containment breach. SCP-173 spotted. Bring containment box. SCP-173 has been put in the containment box. Taken to containment chamber. SCP-173 is in the containment chamber. Closing doors. Chamber status. Doors closed. Forget about the D-class. Keep your eyes on the statue. The old man is coming out. Let's get out of here. SCP-106 is chasing us. Trying to get away. That bastard doesn't surrender. Keep going, people. Don't let him touch you. Whoa! Where did he go? Glass is being pulled into the pocket dimension. Proceed with previous task. Haha! He won't last 2 minutes with that thing. Let's forget about him.
And there you have it. SCP Containment Breach Mobile Task Force, or SCP-CBMTF. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed, we appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe, but of course you don't have to. I will try to post more regularly, but I say that in every single video and it never happens, so I will try my hardest. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great rest of your morning, afternoon, or day. Goodbye!